I'm Christina Smekens, and in this 20-minute video, I'll address the two major components needed to teach writing. Learning to write well, like anything else, requires both instruction and practice. The learner needs expert instruction from someone who is knowledgeable on the skill, and the learner needs extensive practice in order to perfect the skill himself. Therefore, just assigning writing isn't enough to improve writer abilities. We have to spend time teaching students how to execute grade-level writing skills. We need to actively and deliberately teach students specific techniques to master persuasive, informative, and narrative writing at their grade levels. During Tier 1 whole class instruction, teachers are to introduce one writing skill at a time. These lessons clearly explain what the skill is, why it's important, when and where to use it, and most importantly, how to execute it in writing.